Okay, so in this video, we're going to talk about two separate topics. Number one, measuring up in your business. And number two, finding your why for why you even started the business in the first place. So, we'll talk about some good tips. Also, there's a really neat quiz that you can take, and that's the first thing I'm going to cover. So let's do a fun exercise that will assist you in finding out where your business stands today, right now. This can be quite the discovery process for you if you're honest with yourself about where you're currently standing in your business right now. So, how does your business measure up? Are you like a big box store or a struggling new business? Let's find out. And honesty with yourself will make all the difference. Here are the rules. Answer yes or no for each question. A yes is worth 1 point and a no is worth 0 points. Simple enough, right? Question one, do you have a business and plan for the next 6 to 12 months? Yes or no? Question two, are you creating and sharing content at least 2 to 3 times per week consistently in your business? Yes or no? Question three, are you adding at least 20 to 50 leads per day into your email list? Yes or no? Question four, are you consistently acquiring new customers with your lead offer? At least 5+ per week? Yes or no? Okay, so what is your total score? If you scored a total of 4 points, then congratulations, you have the foundation in place to create a profitable business. If you scored less than 4 points, your business will struggle to produce profit. You must focus on those questions that you answered no to. If you scored two or less, then you have lots of work to do. But at least you know exactly what to focus your energy on. So hopefully that was a good discovery process for you to go through. It's very important to answer these questions honestly for your business. Doing this will increase your profitability and guide your business in a profitable, cash flow positive direction. This is just really simple advice. You can obviously expand those questions into many of the basic fundamentals as well. It's just a process. It's simple to do, and you just have to stay focused and get the things done that need to get done. Now, let's talk about 9 tips that can help you do some of this. Okay, tip number one, get out of your comfort zone. Do the things that make you uncomfortable in your business every day. This could be videos, could be webinars, it could be something as simple as putting your story on Facebook for everybody to see. Tip number two, always fail forward. No matter what happens, don't ever give up on your dream. We all fall at some point in our business decisions. What matters most is how you handle that failure. Will you fall forward and continue on, or fall backwards and throw your hands up and quit? Tip number three, network with the best. Surround yourself with successful people. Have you ever heard of the saying, you can be guilty by association? Well, the same is true with success. Surround yourself by successful people that can mentor, guide, and coach you to success. This is known as being successful by association. There are a few business owners that become successful on their own. It's just not likely. Most people have help. Okay, tip number four, have a long-term vision and plan. Know where you want your business to go. Forward plan what you will do every day and stick to that plan. Outsource where needed and never deviate from the plan that you set forth for your business to succeed. Tip number five, be consistent and persistent in your business. Have a system in place for everything that you do every day. Do those tasks that create positive cash flow in a consistent and persistent manner. Never give up and continue to push forward every single day. If you do something persistently and consistently for 90 days and it's not working, then tweak your strategy and continue to move forward. Tip number six, develop your skills of asking quality questions in your business. It's great to ask your coach or mentor or friends questions, but have quality questions to ask. When you get the one opportunity to ask a top CEO or successful business owner a question, don't waste it on something fundamental. Tip number seven, embrace your lessons. I call them lessons. Some people call them failures. I call them lessons. Just embrace your lessons in your business. It's not always going to be roses, unicorns, and rainbows. Embrace those times where it gets tough and you make a wrong choice. Don't continue to look back on it and rehash what you could have done differently. Learn from your lessons and move in a different direction. Just don't learn the same lesson twice. Tip number 8, be vulnerable. Okay, be vulnerable in presenting yourself and your business opportunity or products or services. Let people see you for who you are and what you truly believe in. Tell your story and share your experiences with others. Most of all, be honest, real, and transparent with every aspect of your business. Tip number 9, and most of all, just have fun. This should be fun and exciting. Being a business owner is an experience like no other. If you have fun with it and not take everything so seriously, you will find that the money starts to come second. Put the customers first and enjoy what you do. It's then that the money just becomes a bonus and the icing on the cake. Okay. Next, let's really talk about why. Why are you here? Finding your why in your own business. Okay. You may or may not have heard this before. It's important in any business to know what is your why. Why are you even in business? Do you know why you started a business, or do you know why you want to start one now? A new venture, maybe? It's a very important question to ask yourself and also to know. Let's look at this more in depth. Here are some typical answers that I hear frequently. I just want to make money. I want to create stability in my paycheck. I want more free time. I want to be my own boss. I want to spend more time with family and friends. These are the most common answers that I get when I ask business owners why they want to start a business or why they've started a business. I'm not saying these aren't good reasons, but they lack depth, in my opinion. Look for more things that are more meaningful than just the typical self serving answers. What I am always a bit disappointed with is I never get the following responses. If I do, they are very seldom. These are paramount to the success of your business. Here are some examples. I just want to help people. I want to show someone how to realize their own dream. I want to provide quality customer service. I want to help a charity. I want to feel good about myself knowing I made a difference in someone's life. It is important to note there is nothing wrong with trying to improve your own life with answers like the first set of 5. Most people want this same thing if they admit it or not. But here's a little secret that can drastically change the face of your business. Think about the people first, and the money will come naturally. It's important in any business to profit. That's not what I'm talking about. I am talking about being a business that truly cares about its customers. If you do this, it will show on your quarterly statements. Trust me when I tell you that it will show in a big way. If you put the customer's needs, wants, desires, pains, and struggles as your most utmost priority, you will find success very quickly. Make these a priority in your business and provide your customers the solutions that solve their deepest problems. When you do this, you put them on a pedestal, and there is no better feeling as a business owner to know that you solve someone's pains and struggles in life. Like I said before, there's nothing wrong with having your own personal goals. You need to have those goals to take your business to the next level. Just be very careful that this does not come off the wrong way to your clients in your marketing efforts, for example. So I challenge you to know the why in your business. What drives you to success? What personal goals have you set? What is your message? How are you perceived by your customers? And are you truly passionate about serving their needs? Take some time to figure this out as a business owner. Put the people first, and the money will naturally come on autopilot. Hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you on the next one.